Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to remove mildew stains from carpet. This is a boat interior. Unfortunately, with excessive moisture exposure and improper care, mildew can form on carpets, and with this being a white carpet, this is very noticeable. These stains were throughout the whole ceiling. As you can see, there is some clean areas, and then what was left before. I will give a couple different tips towards the end of the video on how to help reduce the chance of mildew. Links to these products will be included in the video description. These are my Amazon affiliated links. In order to save some video time, I already did this. I would recommend vacuuming the carpet to remove any debris in that carpet. Next is putting up a barrier. This will be needed depending on the products that are being used. Some mildew products do contain bleach, and this can damage colors and fabrics. The tarp will act as protection. I did try one product specifically for mildew from the boating aisle. However, I did find it didn't work as well compared to what I have already. Spray 9 does work great for this, and it is a great all-around cleaner. Spray the solution directly onto the mildew spots and let it soak in for a couple minutes. I would highly recommend wearing gloves. Some cleaners can be quite harsh on your skin. Depending on how delicate your carpet is, something like a soft toothbrush can be used, or you can use a carpet brush. Always do a test area first that's small and not visible directly to ensure you're not damaging a larger area. Scrub the carpet in multiple directions, working the fibers back and forth. Remove that stain. The brush can be dipped in water to help keep the surface wet. Don't overly saturate the carpet. This will need to dry after. After that, I then followed up with a fabric cleaner. For this, I picked Resolve. The spray is applied to the area, let it soak in for a couple minutes, and then follow up with the brush again. Work in multiple directions. Rinse the brush as needed with clean water. Follow up with a wet dry shop vac to remove any cleaning solution and moisture in the carpet. Doing so will help reduce the chance of further mildew growth forming on the newly wetted carpet and prevent any chance of foul smells. If you did notice there are some spots still existing, again, go over the area using the same previous steps. Depending on how bad the stains are, it may need a third time. Then finish up with a vacuum. A wet-dry vacuum can only be used as it's able to handle the moisture exposure. Once satisfied, let the area dry. With this being a boat, airflow may be limited in a cuddy cabin, so I would highly recommend using a fan. For this, I'm using my OEM Tools model number 24892 12-inch tilting workspace fan. This is great for working in tighter areas. It produces up to 1450 CFM, so you'll have plenty of airflow promoting dry time. 3 speeds allowing you to select your desired speed, and a very quiet operation. This is a great addition to anyone's workspace. A link to this will be included in the video description to Mobile Distributor Supply. And as you can see, here is what is left with the area once it has dried. During storage, or even if it's kept in the water, I'll keep a moisture absorbent container or a pail. This will remove any moisture in the air, preventing any chance of condensation forming on surfaces, which in turn will promote mildew or mold growth. Some are refillable, others require replacement once it's used up. Another tip is always ensuring that interior is clean, so if you do have any water leaks, be sure to address those immediately so it doesn't further promote the problem. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. Leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.